How to create a felt green screen with interchangeable pieces. Are you someone who works with children or a teacher? And you like to work with felt boards or felt pieces and teach through using that medium? I'll have some exciting news, so stay tuned. Before we get into the solutions, welcome to Teleplay Creations. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button here and the notification button. Here are the items you'll need to create your very own green screen. Some 3M tape and hooks. I prefer the ones that clasp together. A green ruler. If you don't have that, you can use construction paper or paint it green. Green felt, 6x6 or 9x9 feet, or 6x9 feet will work as well. Velcro that is sticky, and green felt pieces with adhesive backings. I will provide you links to these items so you can purchase them yourself in the description below. First off, unravel your felt green piece and see where you want to place it on your wall. You'll need a solid wall so that when you push against it with your felt pieces, it will stay and not move on you. Then you can place your 3M hooks in place and clip on or stick on your felt piece. Once your green screen or felt board is ready to go, please print out those digital templates for each felt item you want to use as your interchangeable pieces. For more digital templates or some free ones, do visit the link here. I will also provide that link in the description below. Once you have selected your template that you want to print out, you can do it just like this. Once you have it printed out, cut it, and then you want to measure the size of your felt. Once you've done so, cut your piece of felt and adhere the template onto the sticky side. And voila! Here are some examples of felt pieces already done. So the sky's the limit. Start exploring, having fun with the templates, and if you want more, do visit the website. Thanks for watching. Do share your comments below. I would love to hear from you. For more information and such, do visit rainorShineTherapy.com/teleplay creations. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and do click on the notification button. Thanks again.